gone for a good year. But I'm gonna start making YouTube videos again. So I thought I would just start off, since it's kind of like my first video. Since it's been a long time, I am going to just do a updated get ready with me, because when I last posted, I was just started getting the makeup and hair stuff, and obviously I've changed a lot, so I just decided I was going to do an updated hair and makeup video. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing I do with doing my makeup is priming my face. Priming helps you keep away acne and also keeps your makeup on longer. So the first thing I do is put on tea tree oil. I get this at a lot of places. The main places I get it is the beauty shop, and it's like $10 for a huge bottle. It's an essential oil, and it's in a lot of things, but just straight up tea tree oil helps keep acne away. So that's why I use it. Next step I use is the actual thing I use to prime my face. So I use two things. I'll either use the Gold Brown Ultimate Healing Lotion, and this is just like a moisturizer lotion that's just a couple dollars at Walmart. That I'll use if it's just everyday makeup, or if it's just an everyday makeup basically thing. But if I have a special event, I will use the Refreshing Gel Cleanser, Foaming Gel, and Brightness Your Skin. So I'll use this at a special event because it's a little nicer, but it's also really expensive, so I don't have enough money to buy it over and over again because it's not the hugest container. So I will only use this on special occasions. So I'm actually going to use the Golden Brown Ultimate Moisturizer today. Now that we're done priming my face, we're going to use the True Blend foundation to cover up acne and redness. And with a flat foundation brush from just a generic Walmart brand, it's not anything special. Now we're done with foundation. We're going to get into concealer. And the concealer I use is the Maybelline New York's concealer. Also just generic, you get it at Walmart. It's pretty affordable. Okay, so after I put in concealer under my eyes and on my forehead, if there's a particular like acne spot or something, like a red spot on my face that's really standing out, I will also I'll put a little concealer on that area too. But nothing's standing out to me right now, so we're just gonna leave it at that. It's Allie from the future. So my camera glitched, and for some reason 5 minutes of the middle of my video is all glitchy, so the next couple minutes would have been really bad. Like, I tried working it into the video and it just wasn't going, so I just cut it completely. Basically all you missed was I put powder on. That's it. So enjoy the rest of the video. So our next step is eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Maybelline New York eyebrow palette, and I'm going to use an eyebrow brush to fill in my eyebrows. generic brand again. This is CoverGirl's Cheeky Rose Blush. Okay, so now we're moving on to eyes. So for eyes, if it's a special occasion, I'll do some sort of eyeshadow look, which is like if I have like a banquet to go to or a dance, I'll do eyeshadow. But for day-to-day makeup wear, I usually just wear mascara and that's it. So that's all I'm gonna do today. Is going to be lipstick, lip gloss, your lips basically. So day to day I've been wearing just chapstick because I was wearing a lot of lipstick about a year ago and my lips got so chapped that they were peeling. So I kind of stopped using lipstick and started just wearing chapstick. Today I'll do a lot of different things. A lot of times I'll just leave my hair down and comb it out. Sometimes I'll curl it and sometimes I'll straighten it. Today I'm going to straighten my hair. I'm going to use the Hair Range styling tool straightener. Just a generic one. I don't remember where I got it, but it's generic. It's not fancy or anything like that. And if my hair was all the way down, I would put it halfway up and straighten the bottom. And then take the top down and straighten the top part. The only thing I don't straighten is my bangs because if I do that, they kind of do this woof thing that looks really dumb. So I don't straighten my bangs. final result of the getting ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a good day.